Welcome guys. So just going to give an update on what's happening. It's Monday, early 6 a.m. where I've been working, and just wanted to kind of walk you around and show you how important PMs are, and how it can be costly to make little mistakes that over time just pile up and cost you a lot of money to fix. So I mentioned in one of my videos about grease fittings and how important it is to make sure you pay attention if they actually do their job, because we had some grease fittings on our kingpins that haven't been letting through the grease, and we pretty much unknowingly it compounded over time, and we just killed the kingpins, and it's been pretty now we've taken it apart, and both sides were pretty bad, so we had to drop the axle, and luckily we had a spare axle sitting that we're swapping, but the other one is a throwaway. We had to get rid of it, and it was a 25-cent part that cost us a lot of money, and in the end, so just make sure you keep an eye on those grease fittings on your entire truck, and make sure they let the grease through. We've been painting this weekend. Here you can see this is part one of the, it's going to be darker here, and then a lot lighter on top, and then we'll have a nice green stripe all over the shop. Everything else, just trying to get it done as quickly as possible and get ready for peak, so we can get nicely efficient with everything that's going to come start happening pretty soon, and a lot of maintenance we're gonna have. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you next time.